Welcome back to AppleInsider, your trusted source for in-depth technology reviews and analysis. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the Oppo Flexy R1. This phone is a bold step into the future of foldable technology, and Oppo is promising not only innovation but also reliability and premium quality in every aspect. In this review, we'll break it down into 7 key areas to give you a complete picture of whether this is the foldable phone worth your money and attention. So let's get started. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Oppo Flexy R1 is a phone that instantly catches your eye the moment you pick it up. Oppo has clearly gone for a futuristic yet elegant design, combining polished materials with precision engineering. The hinge mechanism is one of the most crucial parts of a foldable device, and here Oppo has delivered something truly impressive. The Flexy R1 feels solid when opened and smooth when folded, with almost no visible crease disrupting the display. It's clear that Oppo has learned from years of foldable innovation in the industry and fine-tuned its hinge to be both durable and practical. The body is constructed with high-grade aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus protection, giving the device both sturdiness and a premium feel in hand. Despite being a foldable, it doesn't feel overly bulky, and Oppo has managed to balance thickness and weight in a way that makes this phone practical for everyday use. The tactile buttons are responsive, the overall ergonomics are comfortable, and the build inspires confidence that this device will last you years without compromise. Number 2. The display. Foldable phones are all about the screen experience, and Oppo has clearly put its best foot forward here. The Flexy R1 features a massive foldable AMOLED display with vibrant colors, inky blacks, and an ultra-smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. Watching content, scrolling through apps, or gaming on this display is a joy because of the clarity and brightness it offers. Even in direct sunlight, the screen remains visible thanks to its high peak brightness. The foldable design gives you the versatility of a tablet-sized display in a pocket-sized form factor, which is perfect for multitasking, split-screen use, or simply enjoying media on a bigger canvas. When closed, the secondary cover display is also sharp and responsive, making it easy to check notifications, reply to messages, or quickly use apps without opening the phone fully. The crease, which is often a point of criticism in foldable phones, is minimal here, and after a while, you barely notice it during daily use. Oppo's focus on the display experience is clear, and it positions the Flexy R1 as one of the most refined foldable screens on the market. Number 3. Performance. Powering the Oppo Flexy R1 is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen series processor paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, delivering flagship-level performance that rivals any premium smartphone today. Multitasking is seamless, whether you're running demanding applications side by side or switching between heavy games and productivity tools. The foldable design is complemented by performance that never feels like it's holding back. Gaming on this device is a highlight, with smooth frame rates, vivid visuals, and no noticeable lag even during extended sessions. Thermal management is well handled, with Oppo implementing a sophisticated cooling system to ensure the phone doesn't overheat under pressure. Everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and messaging feel instant, and you can truly rely on this device as both a productivity powerhouse and an entertainment machine. With support for 5G connectivity, blazing fast storage speeds, and ample RAM, the Flexy R1 is built for both present and future needs, ensuring that it will stay fast and relevant for years to come. Number 4. The camera. Oppo has always been known for pushing camera innovation, and the Flexy R1 is no exception. It comes equipped with a versatile triple camera system that includes a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto zoom lens. Photos taken on this device are sharp, detailed, and vibrant, whether you're shooting in daylight or low-light conditions. The AI enhancements work quietly in the background to optimize exposure, color balance, and detail, ensuring your shots look professional without much effort. The foldable form factor adds an extra layer of creativity, allowing you to use the main cameras for selfies when the device is folded or to capture unique angles with the hinge positioned at different points. Video recording is equally impressive, with support for 4K recording at smooth frame rates, excellent stabilization, and rich dynamic range. For content creators, vloggers, or anyone who values top-tier photography, the Oppo Flexy R1 is a capable tool that doesn't compromise despite its foldable design. Number 5. Battery life. One of the concerns with foldable phones is whether they can provide lasting power given the larger displays and powerful internals. Oppo has addressed this by equipping the Flexy R1 with a robust dual-cell battery system that combines to deliver all-day performance. Even with heavy use involving gaming, video streaming, and multitasking, the phone comfortably lasts through a full day. And when you do need to recharge, Oppo's signature fast charging comes to the rescue. The device supports super fast wired charging that can take your phone from nearly empty to over 50% in just a matter of minutes. On top of that, wireless charging support adds convenience, and reverse wireless charging allows you to power accessories like earbuds directly from your phone. Efficiency is further optimized by Oppo's software, which intelligently manages power consumption without limiting performance. For a foldable device, the battery life here is commendable and ensures you won't constantly worry about carrying a charger everywhere you go. Number 6. Software and features. The Oppo Flexy R1 runs on Color OS, Oppo's custom Android skin, optimized beautifully for the foldable experience. This means you get smart multitasking tools, intuitive split-screen capabilities, and seamless transitions between the cover display and the main foldable screen. Apps resize intelligently, and Oppo has worked with developers to ensure compatibility across popular platforms, making the foldable experience smooth and practical. Beyond multitasking, Color OS brings a host of customization options, smart gestures, and enhanced privacy features, giving you control over how your phone looks and functions. Oppo has also included thoughtful features like Flex Mode, which allows the phone to stay half-folded for hands-free video calls, content playback, or photography. Regular updates and long-term software support are promised, giving you confidence that your device will stay secure and feature-rich over time. Combined with hardware, the software experience on the Flexy R1 feels polished and future-ready. Number 7. Value for money. Foldable phones are often criticized for being priced out of reach, but Oppo has positioned the Flexy R1 as a competitive option in the premium foldable segment. While it's certainly not a budget device, what you get for the price is a package that rivals or surpasses other foldables in the market. You're getting flagship performance, a stunning display, durable build quality, advanced cameras, long battery life, and innovative foldable functionality in one device. For those who want the cutting edge of technology without paying an even steeper premium from other brands, the Oppo Flexy R1 offers excellent value. It may not be a device for everyone, but for early adopters, tech enthusiasts, and professionals who want productivity and entertainment combined in one futuristic design, the value here is undeniable. And that brings us to the conclusion. The Oppo Flexy R1 is not just another smartphone, it's a vision of where mobile technology is heading. Oppo has managed to balance innovation with practicality, creating a foldable phone that feels premium, reliable, and exciting to use. From its stunning design and immersive display to its powerful performance, versatile cameras, long-lasting battery, and thoughtful software, every aspect of this phone has been carefully crafted to make foldables more mainstream and usable than ever before. The value proposition further strengthens its case, making it one of the most attractive foldable devices available right now. If you've been on the fence about foldable technology, the Oppo Flexy R1 is a device that can change your mind. It's bold, it's refined, and it sets a new benchmark for what foldable smartphones should be. This has been our full review of the Oppo Flexy R1 here on AppleInsider. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth technology insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.